Welcome to a new era of financial empowerment, where knowledge becomes your greatest asset and opportunity is just a step away. Welcome to Jez Financial World, your premier destination for mastering the art and science of finance and investments. Imagine a place where the barriers to understanding complex financial concepts are dismantled, replaced by clarity, confidence, and actionable guidance. Whether you're taking your first steps into the world of personal finance or seeking to refine your prowess as a seasoned investor, Jez Financial World is here to guide you every step of the way. Why is financial literacy so important? In today's rapidly evolving landscape, understanding how money works is not just an advantage, it's essential. The decisions you make about spending, saving, investing, and managing risk shape every aspect of your life, from your daily peace of mind to your long-term dreams. Yet for many, the world of finance feels intimidating, full of jargon, uncertainty, and seemingly inaccessible expertise. That's where we come in. At Jez Financial World, we're dedicated to breaking down those barriers. Our mission is to create an open university without walls, where everyone, regardless of background, age, or experience, can access the tools, insights, and support needed to take control of their financial future. Through expertly crafted content, we explore the intersections of behavioral science and portfolio management, helping you understand not just what to do with your money, but why you make the decisions you do. Let's start with the basics. Financial literacy begins with the fundamentals: budgeting, saving, and understanding how to make your money work for you. We unravel the myths and misconceptions that prevent so many from taking charge of their finances. How do you create a budget that actually works? What are the keys to building an emergency fund that provides real security? How can you set savings goals that are both ambitious and achievable? Our step-by-step guides and practical tips make these essentials accessible to everyone, turning daunting tasks into manageable routines. But we don't stop there. As your confidence grows, so does our curriculum. We journey together into the world of investing, where your money has the potential to grow and compound over time. What is the stock market, and how does it function? What's the difference between stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds? How can you build a diversified portfolio that balances risk and reward? Our experts demystify these topics, sharing decades of real-world experience to help you make informed choices. One of the unique aspects of Jez Financial World is our focus on behavioral finance, the study of how psychology influences financial decision-making. It's not enough to know what you should do. You also need to understand the mental traps and emotional biases that can lead you astray. Why do people panic during market downturns? How can you avoid costly mistakes driven by fear or overconfidence? Through engaging explanations and relatable examples, we equip you with the self-awareness and discipline to stay on course, even when the markets get turbulent. Portfolio management is another cornerstone of our channel. We guide you through the process of setting investment objectives, determining your risk tolerance, and constructing a portfolio tailored to your unique needs. Learn how to rebalance your investments, monitor performance, and adjust your strategy as your goals evolve. We cover both active and passive investing strategies, giving you the tools to decide what works best for your circumstances. But finance is not just about numbers. It's about people, values, and aspirations. We believe that financial education should be holistic, considering not only how to maximize returns, but also how to align your investments with your personal values. Interested in sustainable investing or socially responsible portfolios? We'll show you how to integrate these principles into your financial plan so you can grow your wealth while making a positive impact. Staying informed is key in a world where markets shift and new opportunities arise every day. Our channel provides up-to-date analysis of market trends, economic developments, and regulatory changes. We break down the news, separate signal from noise, and help you understand what it means for your portfolio and financial goals. No more feeling left out or overwhelmed by headlines. Jez Financial World keeps you in the loop, empowering you to make decisions with confidence. For aspiring investors, we offer deep dives into specialized topics. Want to learn about real estate investing, cryptocurrencies, or alternative assets? Curious about tax optimization, retirement planning, or estate management? Our comprehensive library of content ensures that you have access to expert insights on every facet of finance, no matter where your interests lie. Community is at the heart of our mission. Learning is most powerful when it's shared, discussed, and applied with others who are on a similar journey. By subscribing to Jez Financial World, you join a vibrant network of learners, investors, and experts. Engage in discussions, share your experiences, ask questions, and support one another as you progress toward your goals. Together, we create an environment where curiosity thrives and every member is empowered to succeed. Our commitment to quality is unwavering. Each piece of content is meticulously researched, drawing on the latest academic insights and practical experience. Our team of educators and financial professionals brings decades of expertise to every lesson, ensuring that you receive advice you can trust and apply with confidence. What sets Jez Financial World apart is our belief in lifelong learning. The financial world never stands still, and neither should your knowledge. Whether you're planning for your first big purchase, navigating midlife transitions, or preparing for a secure retirement, we're here to support you at every stage. Our content evolves with you, addressing the challenges and opportunities that matter most in your life. So, what can you expect as a member of Jez Financial World? You'll gain access to a treasure trove of resources designed to make you a more confident, capable, and successful steward of your finances. You'll learn not just the mechanics of money management, but the mindset that leads to lasting wealth and security. You'll discover that financial freedom is not a distant dream, but a goal within your reach, one decision, one lesson, and one step at a time. We invite you to join us on this transformative journey. Whether you're looking to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, build a robust investment portfolio, or simply make smarter choices with your money, Jez Financial World is your trusted guide. Subscribe, engage, and take the first step toward unlocking your financial future. Together, we'll navigate the complexities of finance, harness the power of knowledge, and create opportunities that last a lifetime. Welcome to Jez Financial World, where education meets opportunity and your financial success begins.